that word. Midget is a mean word for people with dwarfism.
I'm afraid your son had something to do with the nickname.
That's okay, Pepper. I will make sure Freddy makes things right. Any news from James?
He should be here on the 15th. He said he's coming there by summer.
That's what he said in his last letter.
Dwarfism or what?
You know, let's just keep an eye on you. You know, it's really too soon to make any type of diagnosis. I will, however, suggest